A new car priced at $12,500 is finally entering the automotive market. It may sound too good to be true, but once you watch this entire video, all your questions and doubts about this affordable car will be addressed. The name of this $12,500 car is the VF3. While it might sound like a math equation, there's more to the name. This compact SUV siblings are already available for purchase in California, the United States. VinFast, the first Vietnamese car manufacturer, is responsible for the production of the VF3. Surprisingly, VinFast has held private meetings with different car dealers across the United States to make the possibility of selling the VinFast VF3 a reality. During these meetings, VinFast announced the upcoming release of the VF3, and what truly transpired was that 100% of the dealers who attended the meeting assured the automaker that the car would sell quickly for various reasons. The first reason is that the initial price of the VinFast Mini VF3 is $20,000. However, if VinFast sources the batteries used in producing the VF3 from the United States, the starting price will eventually drop to $12,500. This is astounding because when most of the raw materials come from the same country, a substantial $7,500 will be subtracted from the $20,000, bringing it down to $12,500. Another reason why car dealerships are confident that the VF3 will achieve significant sales in the nation is due to the discontinuation of most affordable cars by their automakers, despite the high demand for low-cost vehicles. A prime example of this is the Chevrolet Bolt EV, which General Motors once promised would be their most affordable car in their lineup, but is now on the brink of being discontinued by GM. The VinFast VF3 is expected to be produced at the VinFast factory in North Carolina, which will make it eligible for the $7,500 EV tax credit. In June 2023, VinFast announced that construction on its electric vehicle factory has already begun, and the 180-acre factory is expected to produce at least 150,000 cars a year in Phase 1. We have just obtained the construction permit, and we are very excited as this marks a significant milestone in VinFast history in the U.S. We will begin groundbreaking for the plant here in the U.S., VinFast CEO Lete Tutoy told CNBC. VinFast has also confirmed its commitment to transitioning from internal combustion cars to electric vehicles. We see great potential in the U.S. market with EV infrastructure and regulations pushing for EV adoption in major cities by 2035. There is a substantial market as the world shifts from internal combustion engine vehicles to EVs. Les stated in the CNBC interview, to facilitate this transition for the Vietnamese automaker, the state of North Carolina has offered VinFast a $1.2 billion incentive to ensure the success of the project. Apart from the VF3, VinFast has confirmed that 4 other models of its vehicles will be available for purchase in the United States: the VF8, VF7, VF6, and the VF9, with a starting price of $83,000. The VF9 model will compete against the $100,000 Tesla Model S, even though they are classified as crossovers. VinFast's CEO expressed confidence in their entry into the market, stating, "We believe there's still ample room for new players. U.S. consumers are open to new entrants as long as we offer high-quality products." Meetings for the VF3 were held in 2 locations, Tampa, Florida, and Dallas, Texas. An advisor to VinFast informed the Automotive News that the dealers exhibited greater interest in the VF3 compared to the rest of the cars in VinFast's lineup. He mentioned, "They appreciated the entire lineup, but the VF3 received almost a 100% positive response. The reason is probably its sub-$20,000 price point." As evident in the image, you'll notice that the VinFast VF3 is a mini-city car, and the automaker has confirmed that it was initially designed with its citizens in mind before the United States market. The VF3 Mini EV is targeted at individuals looking to purchase their first car, such as students, first-time car owners, and those who primarily drive for daily errands within the city. In terms of dimensions, the VF3 measures 3,114 millimeters in length, which is 200 millimeters longer than the Wuling Hongguang Mini EV's 2,920 millimeters length. What sets the VF3 apart from other cars is its respectable ground clearance, and it comes equipped with 16-inch wheels as standard, although customers have the option to upgrade to larger sizes according to their preferences. The front end of the VF3 features substantial design elements, including an extended front bumper that extends to the front wheel arches. The square-shaped grille not only accommodates the main headlights, but also showcases VinFast's distinctive V logo. In a similar fashion, the rear wheel arches are enveloped in black plastic that extends to the rear bumper. The straightforward taillight cluster is positioned on both sides, enabling a chrome strip to encircle the VinFast emblem. Moving to the interior design, the VinFast VF3 is a 3-door, 4-seater vehicle. The cabin is equipped with a digital instrument cluster and a modern steering wheel with touch-sensitive controls, giving it a contemporary and innovative feel. It's highly likely that the production version of the VF3 will include an electronic parking brake and a button-type shifter for added convenience. The VinFast VF3 will be available in 2 known trims, Eco and Plus models. However, VinFast has not yet disclosed further details about the car, such as its performance, battery range, and charging specifications. Similar to other mini electric cars, many car enthusiasts speculate that the VF3 EV will likely be powered by a single motor, offering an expected driving range of over 130 miles on a single charge. Reservations for the VinFast VF3 Mini EV are anticipated to commence around the end of 2023. Sales of the VF3 in Vietnam are scheduled to begin next year, with deliveries set to kick off in the third quarter of 2024.